Good morning, Fred Pro fans. Here is hatchling 2 of clutch 5. And I just can't get over the awesome patterning and colors that we're getting off these guys. He's gonna jump. Boom. What an awesome little dude. So parents are Smogs, the male, R-Wing, L-Wing. These definitely came from R-Wing. L-Wing's a lighter color. She's more of a lavender and purple with some green. But all babies will be made available after 2 to 3 months of age. They're all being raised on Rapashi, eating crickets. They're all in nursery bins right now, so it's easy to keep clean and sterile.